Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to properly utilize what's called a dichotomous key, which you may notice is cut off at the top here. Okay. As you know, in science, the word di is similar to the word bi as far as the prefix goes. It means two. So when you're using a dichotomous key, you're utilizing that for you to be able to identify things in the natural world that you might not know what it is. Okay, so in this case they have the common name for these organisms: dog, shark, rose, skunk, turkey, dolphin, eagle, canary, oyster, mosquito, etc. Okay. And what you want to be able to do is find out what the scientific name for that would be based off of what are traits of those organisms. Okay. So when you use the dichotomous key, it's to identify something that you might not know what it is. So maybe in a foreign country they don't know what a dog is, but they could use a dichotomous key to figure out what a dog is based on its characteristics. Okay. So let me give you an example of that. Again, it's just a two-choice scenario where you're using it to identify things in the natural world. So common name, dog. If you hear any whining in the background, it's actually my dog, so I apologize for that. But common name, dog. Let's find out what the scientific name of dog is. So what we do is whenever you use this to identify something, you start at option 1 and you just basically follow it. Okay. So dog, animal or non-animal? Well, dog is definitely an animal, so I'm going to go to number 2, it says. Has wings or no wings? Well, dogs definitely don't have wings, so I'm going to go to 6. Lives in water, lives on land. Dogs definitely live on land, so I'm going to go to 7. Has fluffy fur, no fluffy fur. Dog's fur is soft, so you consider that fluffy, so I'm going to go to 8. Common pet, not a common pet. Dogs are a common pet. I now have a name here. Dog's name scientifically would be Canis familiaris. So on the top, you go right in their scientific name. Canis familiaris. You guys might have done something like this before in biology with taxonomy and classification, which is fine because chapter 10 is all about classification, so you're expected to learn some of that again. If you have, that's good. I mean, it should be an easy day. So 2, shark. Let's find out the scientific name for shark. Is a shark an animal or non-animal? Well, shark is an animal, right? So again, based on this, we would go to 2. Wings or no wings? Shark does not have wings. So go to 6. Lives in water or land. Shark lives in land. So go to 9. Has fins or no fins. Shark does have fins. So go to 10. Razor sharp teeth or pegged pointy teeth. Sharks definitely have razor sharp teeth. So Carcharodon, Carcharias. Carcharodon, Carcharias. One thing to keep in mind, if you guys get the same scientific name twice, you've done something wrong. You should only use each scientific name once because they're all different organisms, okay? When you're done identifying them, then at the bottom, you would write the scientific names to answer these questions. As long as your question makes sense, you're not necessarily wrong. So for instance, what organisms would you like to eat? If you put mosquitoes, I might question that. Okay. So just make sure that makes sense. Unless you really do eat mosquitoes, which I doubt. But yeah. Okay. And make sure you write it in using the scientific names. Don't write the common name. So write the scientific name. You only have to put 1 organism per line. That's fine. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.